can a mediated agreement be enforced by the court? The short answer is no, but it is important for you to note the significance of the process. The courts want you to have at least considered mediation wherever possible. And through a process like mediation, you can have those agreements made legally binding in two ways. So you're going to be looking at finances, you're going to be looking at parenting. On the finance side, through a settlement, what you're after is what's called a consent order. You don't need to attend court for a consent order, but you are more likely to have that agreement put through the courts because you have used a process like mediation and they know that it is amicable. On the parenting side, you're looking at something like a child arrangements order. You do need to attend court for that, but what they are looking at is this agreement in the best interest of the child? In our blog, we go into a lot more detail on this process and separate it into finances, into child arrangements. So have a look through that and do come back to us if you have any questions.